quick tip here, guys. In the car that I was doing the diagnosis of the glow plugs this morning, the problem with the car is a noise on the suspension, front suspension, on the right side. And the problem is this upper ball joint. It does tock tock tock. Now, in this on this way, it's impossible to save this upper arm. But one other thing that I want to show you is the spectacular way that this arm failed. The play on this arm is horrific, and on both sides of the bushing. I know this brand is awful for these cars. I had to put these arms in the time in my life that it was not possible to put a better brand. Don't kill me for that, please. I know we should only use TRW or Lemforder. This is the last arm that the car has from this brand. The lower arms and the upper arms are already the good ones. This is the last one. It is really bad, this brand. I have so many problems, had so many problems with this brand, and because of this, the camber of the wheel is way high. The wheel is very tilted, and the tire, the mid-age tire that I have, blew up because of this. Because of the convergence of the steering is not the same as it was when this is okay, and the tire blew up. So I don't want to hear this brand ever again in my life.